This is Isabella Benninger. My dad is going to help me show you how to use a clinometer to measure the height of our gutter. In order to use a clinometer, you need to make one. You can do that by suspending a small object for weight from a protractor with string so that it hangs down about 8 inches. Then slice a straw from end to end to slide it onto the top of the protractor. The straw is to look through, and the weighted string will make the degree. We have measured that my dad is standing 10 feet from the gutter. We also measured the distance from the ground to my dad's eyes because that will be the location of the clinometer. That distance is 5 feet and 2 inches. As my dad looks through the straw of the clinometer at the gutter, the clinometer string rests over 60 degrees. To calculate the total height, take the 60 degrees and subtract it from 90 degrees. This is the measure of the angle of elevation, which is 30 degrees. Then add the distance from the ground to the eyes with the distance you calculate for the height of the gutter. To be most accurate, the triangle needs to be at your feet, not your eyes. To find the total height, I use tangent 60 degrees equals height divided by the 10-foot distance from the spouting. Height equals the distance from the spouting times tangent the degrees shown on the clinometer. Round that result to the nearest hundredth. Add that number to the height of eyes. Then round that to the nearest whole number. So 90 degrees minus 120 degrees equals negative 30 degrees. 10 times tangent negative 30 degrees equals 64.053. This rounds to 64 degrees. To find the total height, I added 64 feet plus the height of my dad's eyes, 5.3 feet. This equals 71.3 feet and rounds to 70 feet.